What is up, everybody? AB back at it again with another video. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I'm going to try to get on a schedule here to give you guys more content. I think I have like 37 subscribers or something like that. And to be honest with you, I appreciate every one of you. Without further ado, let's get in this video. I have limited time. I want to show you guys what this is all about. So as you can tell, I went to Harbor Freight and I picked up the Bauer angle grinder. And I have a Ryobi one that's I feel like it's comparable to it. So I was just going to test this one out and see how it does, see if it's better or worse. And I also got some other stuff from Harbor Freight, just some odds and ends, some things I've been eyeing up. Also, I found a promotion on Facebook or something from Benchmark Abrasives that you got, I can't remember exactly what it was. You got a multi-pack of their flat discs for a reduced price. If I can still find the sale or whatever it is, I'll let you guys know and I'll post it in the description below. But if I can't, I'll still link their website in the video below. So this is what their flat discs look like, and I thought it'd be kind of cool to just test this out with that grinder and see how they do. This isn't really going to be a good testament to these flap discs because I feel like you have to use them a little bit more to really know the longevity of them and stuff like that. But, so yeah, here's a grinder. I already opened the box. Doesn't feel too bad. I kind of like it because I can get my hand around it real nice. And you're really not supposed to use it one-handed. But if you need to, if you hold something, it's kind of easy to hold. Yeah, not too bad with the battery on it. I kind of like the fact that the battery is a little bit awkward, but not super awkward. So, we'll check that out in a little bit. Let me show you what else I got. Coupons, always got extras of these. I picked up some standard impact sockets. I use a lot of metric, so I wanted some standard stuff. And honestly, they're not too bad. I don't really abuse my impact sockets, so Harbor Freight's fine. Oh yeah, I got this Ratchet as well. I don't think I really was a fan of these. I don't know if I am or not. This is my first one that I own that's like this. It's like a swivel head or whatever you call it. But they didn't have any of the Comfort Grip 1/4 inch ratchets in stock, so I decided to go with this one. And I guess it could be all right. You know, if you guys have this, if you like it, let me know. If you don't, then tell me it's junk. I think that was cheap. That was like 10 bucks, I think. I got a pair of these Doyle's, the 12-inch channel locks. Really, mainly I bought these for compressing pistons, and I know everybody out there is going to probably tell me that you shouldn't do that and this, that, and the other, but you know, to be honest with you, I don't really work on anything crazy. I'm not a professional technician, so that's what I use. And you know, I have a piston compressor tool, but sometimes these are just easier, so I just kind of picked these up, and I kind of wanted to see how the quality was on the Doyle brand. I have the other brand, the oh man, the blue handled ones. What do they call it? The blue handled ones. You know what I'm talking about. You've seen them there. Oh, I gotta check. Hold on, bear with me. Oh no. Quinn. It doesn't have a brand name on these. Not too bad. Those are cheap. Those are like $4 or something like that. And then also, I thought it'd be proper. I got some E7018 332nd stick electrodes since I was doing some grinding and checking out some flat discs. I thought maybe I'd run a bead and see how these ran. Now I know the typical, just standard, regular brand name 7018 electrode that you would use is probably, in my opinion, a Lincoln Excalibur, just for just regular stuff or whatever. I don't have any Excaliburs right now, but I just wanted to see how these work. A Vulcan electrode, and I wonder like who makes these or where they come from. Well, we all know they come from China, but I just kind of wanted to see how good they were. So I'm going to clean up some metal, and I'm going to run some of these for you guys, as well as test the grinder and the flap discs. So let's get this video rolling, and let's just get it started. All right. Huh. Okay, well, alrighty. Let's maybe try a different grinding wheel or flap disc. Alright, that's what I got on now. So, let's see what that does. Not too bad. Let's try to dial it in. There you go. Alright guys, not too bad. Sticking wasn't too bad, actually. This was sort of like my first ever attempt at running this stuff. Hold on. This was my first attempt ever running this stuff here. And, you know, it ain't terrible. I mean, I feel like you can get dialed in better than me, you know. This is the only rods of this I ever ran of this brand. So, you know, take it for what it's worth. Where are we at? 8 minutes. Holy smokes. Okay. So, that grinder sucks. I gotta take it back. It's junk. I don't recommend it. The Stick Electrodes, though, for the price, not too bad. That's it for this video. See you next time.